So here in this video we are going to make a ball milling machine, and here I have designed the supports which I will cut on the acrylic sheet. So here we have cut two equal size of supports, and to make the base I am taking a wood pieces. I will make eye shape from this wood, and it will hold our supports. So now we can place our supports on this frame. I had already made the holes on the acrylic sheets, and now we have to drill a hole on the base. This video is sponsored by Hitem 3D.
Hitem 3D, a powerful 3D model generator. Its 1.5 version just released, and it turns your ideas into detailed, ready-to-use 3D assets for your workflow.
After all, I have placed the screws and our frame is ready. Now I am placing the bearings which will hold our rollers for smooth rotations. I have taken these rollers from the printer cartridge. After placing the rollers, now I will place the motor. This is the 12-volt geared motor. This pulley will rotate our rollers. The same pulley will go on the rollers. I am placing the gears on only two rollers. The third one will be free, because the third one will hold the small load, so it can handle it. So after all, I will place the motor controller. Now it's ready to work. I'm using a 12-volt adapter to run this setup. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.